Treon Industrial Node X has been designed to power industrial predictive maintenance, to feed the AI engines with data that is accurate and reliable. Treon Industrial Node X measures triaxial acceleration and temperature from any rotating equipment, such as motors, gearboxes, compressors, or pumps. It also measures strength of the magnetic field from the electric motors. Designing a wireless vibration sensor is actually quite an engineering challenge. The main challenge is to make certain the product does not start resonating, creating vibrations of itself. We have taken several design decisions to make sure that does not happen. First is the battery module. We have taken an industrial-grade battery, overmolded into a battery module that fits inside the product like a glove and is supported 360 degrees. And the second design driver is the size of the product. It's very compact, it is short, and it's much enabled by fitting all electronic components in this very small PCB. And lastly, the center of the gravity of the product is low. The vibration path from the monitored equipment to the actually measuring components at the bottom of the device is as short as possible.
Our Industrial Node X is made for really harsh conditions, what it might face in the field. So there might be extreme temperatures, there might be various chemicals, and also it is tested with this IP69K standard, so it can withstand a hot pressurized water. For the Industrial Node X, we chose stainless steel for the base part because it's robust and heavy and it can withstand various conditions. And for the top part, we chose polyamide because that's a good material for various conditions as well. It is also made for potentially explosive atmospheres. It is fully protected from the outside and it has this patent-pending battery module which has protection against spark ignition, overheating, and it has a fuse on board. There are different options for mounting the sensor. The base option is gluing, and then we have 4 adapters, 2 bolt adapters and 2 magnetic adapters depending if you have a flat or slightly curved surface.
The essence of the product is to power predictive maintenance by feeding AI-based analytics with the best possible data. That enables us to make the most of the machinery that makes our world run.